So you're struggling to get 50 views on a video. Your competitor is getting 100,000 views on every video every week. Did you ever wonder why? There's a reason for that, and it's audience targeting. We're gonna discuss that today, and I'm gonna give you some information that's gonna change the game, and it's going to immediately help your channel, and it starts right now. Probably one of the most frequent questions that I get from whether it be clients or comments in the channel is, what kind of workouts should I do on my channel? This usually comes from people who are having a lot of trouble growing, having a lot of trouble getting the views that they want, and they're getting frustrated, understandably. Personally speaking, I'm a very big believer in staying in your lane. If you're a good personal trainer, but you've never taught a kettlebell class, maybe you shouldn't be doing a kettlebell workout. Or if you're a yoga instructor, but you heard that CrossFit's popular on YouTube, that doesn't mean you should go do a CrossFit workout in your living room and send it to people, because not only is it dangerous, it's probably not gonna work out the way you'd like it to. But with all that being said, it still comes down to, what do people want from you? At the end of the day, the growth is only gonna come when you can figure out and adapt to the current needs of the content consumers. You need to get ahead of them. Those channels that you see that are exploding with views and subscribers on a daily basis, they're not necessarily better channels than yours, and they're not necessarily better trainers than you. But the one thing that they have that you don't is they've learned to understand their audience. They've done the research to figure out what exactly the audience is looking for, while you're randomly throwing out workouts that you think are good and hoping that everyone else likes them too. You're guessing, they're not. The fact of the matter is, the information's already out there. And at the end of this video, you're gonna have the same tools that those guys do, and you're gonna be able to implement it into your channel. And I guarantee you, if you do, you're gonna see unprecedented growth in the coming months. What I'm introducing you to today is Google Trends for YouTube. Basically, Google, what this is, it's Google letting you see its own data to understand what people are searching for, in this case, particularly YouTube. I've talked in the past about, typing in search queries in YouTube itself, and you'll see things that come up. The one thing that YouTube doesn't give you is as much detail as this does. The thing that I like about this is you can pinpoint right down to the country. It really allows you to see what people are looking for. Let's say 50% of your subscribers are from California. You can actually go and you can look at what people are searching for workouts on YouTube in California. So I'm gonna go, you can see here the past 12 months. I wanna stick to about the past 30 days. I'm gonna put in workout for now, just the search term. We'll go through a few different things here. Topics I'm not really interested in. This is what I'm interested in, related queries. This is what's rising and what people are looking for. Slim Thick workout, water aerobics, Disney hit, which I'm not even sure what that is, Biggest Loser workout. So these are the things here that I find interesting, like back fat workout for women. Now, so often when we're posting workouts, and we've talked about titling your workouts and making them more available to be found. Sometimes we want to put our name in there. Sometimes we get a little too specific with what we're doing. But the average home workout enthusiast, a lot of them don't have a lot of experience, and they're searching not in terms of genre of training, they're searching in terms of problems with their thighs, problems with their butt, problems with their abs, back fat, things like that. And this does actually help you a lot, because you can, even if you weren't, I understand maybe not wanting to title a workout for women with back fat, but you can design a workout that is for women with back fat. Again, it just helps you kind of target that audience. So just to try and zone in a little bit more on people that are training at home, I put in workout for instead of just workout, because I think that's a little bit too broad. So of course the top ones are workout for beginners, home workout, ab workout. Those are very broad terms. The ones we want to look at are rising, because these are the ones that are getting popular, but maybe those particular searches have not been, maybe there's not as much content out there, which allows you to kind of get in where there's a bit of a niche. So when you look at what's rising, yoga for beginners, back fat workout for women, inner thigh workout for women, leg workout. So, even inner thigh workout for women, this is a workout you can design. You can design a leg workout that focuses on inner thighs, ab workout for beginners, booty workout for women, workout videos for women, leg workout for women. So there's a lot of different searches that you can see in the last 30 days that have become popular. Maybe we put in kettlebell as a search term. So looking at it globally, like just typing in something like kettlebell, these are the rising searches right now. How to do kettlebell swings. So you see something like that it's a trending search. My first piece of advice to you would be go out and do a 2-minute tutorial on how to properly do kettlebell swings and put that up and title it How to Do Kettlebell Swings. These are the things that are going to make your channel rise from the murk and become much more discoverable. So, you know, kettlebell tricep exercises. Maybe people are looking for an arm workout with kettlebells, a beginner kettlebell workout. You know, a lot of people, maybe you're doing kettlebell workouts, but you're doing everything advanced. But here you're seeing that, you know, the number 4 search in rising searches is for beginners. So maybe you should take that information and go after the beginner crowd. So there's a lot of different things in there. Something else I actually like about it is the ability to compare. So here you can see the graph of popularity for kettlebells. So maybe I want to compare that with dumbbells. So you can see dumbbells being the red, that dumbbells it's on the same track as far as rising and falling, but it is considerably more popular than kettlebells. That doesn't necessarily mean that it's the better way to go with your workouts, because it also could be a much more saturated genre with a lot more workouts to compete against. You know, throwing something else in there, sandbag. So sandbag being much lower, but again, does not mean that sandbag is not a good way to go, because again, it could be a smaller audience, but there could be a lack of sandbag content that's out there, which I for a fact know there is, because I've heard from a lot of people that do sandbag workouts. So again, like you look at dumbbells, butt workout with dumbbells, chest workouts at home with dumbbells, best dumbbells to buy, leg workouts. These are all things that you could be doing videos on. Some may be workout videos, some may be just little vlogs. You may want to do a vlog on the best dumbbells to buy for home use. There's so much content in here, and it allows you to stop guessing what you're doing. So another one here I just did was home fitness. Again, I'm just throwing random searches because I'd rather just show you exactly how this works. You can play with this yourself. And you can see, even looking at the graph, where it was compared to what happened when the coronavirus hit. It just hit the roof in terms of searches. But it also shows you that, you know, a lot of people think that things have settled. You know, searches for home fitness are still double of what they were 3 months ago. So you can see here where it was, and you can see here where it's at. So just looking up another search term here, home workout, and showing over the last 90 days what people are looking for, just thinking within the COVID-19 stuff. Home workout, 20-minute Zumba class. That's one of the rising global queries that people are looking for. You know, it's got some different people who are actual trainers that are pretty popular. 30-minute fat burning home workout for beginners. These are titles for what could be your future workouts to connect with all these rising searches. Body pump workout at home, 6-pack abs workout at home, kids workouts at home. A lot of people have been neglecting the kids workouts, trying to keep their kids occupied when they were quarantined. So, you know, coming up with low impact workouts for kids. I mean, you can do research on this for hours and find out a ton of stuff, you know, and it just really, really helps you understand the psyche of the consumer and the person you're trying to attract to your channel. This is what they're looking for. You want to know what's popular over the last 7 days, go to the last 7 days. There won't be as much information, but there'll be still some. Kettlebell swing with a dumbbell. You know, it's I've seen people try and do that. It's not easy, but certainly maybe you can do a tutorial on how to swing a dumbbell like a kettlebell if somebody wants to do your kettlebell workout, but they don't have a kettlebell. Little 2-minute tutorials. And again, what this is it's bait to get people on your channel. I'll leave it at that for now. Again, all you have to do is Google, go onto Google and search Google Trends YouTube, type in resistance tube, type in dumbbells, kettlebells, HIIT workouts, like whatever it is you're wanting to do, and really just see what people are looking for, what's popular, do comparison checks. And this will help you expand your channel. It will help you zone in on what people are looking for now, what they're looking for, not what they're looking for last year, not what you think they should be looking for. It's going to tell you what they're looking for. You need to cater to those people, get them on your channel, give them what they want. Eventually you can start developing your channel and coming up with things that will maybe be more in tune with what you want your channel to be. But for the time being, you have to go with the analytics, and it will help you get a ton more views and a ton more subscribers. So go play with this, look into it, use it for your workouts, use it for your tutorials, and watch your channel grow. If you have questions, I want you to comment below. Let me know. I want to know how it goes for you, and keep me posted, okay? So that's it for the quick hit today, and have a good one. Enjoy Google Trends.